Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Frigidaire oven that is not heating in 2026. So if your Frigidaire oven is not heating, the meals can cook unevenly or not at all. That makes it a major kitchen frustration. So in today's video, we will be taking a look at why this actually happens and what you can do in order to fix it. So first of all, you need to start by checking whether the oven is receiving proper power. So for electric ovens, you can inspect the circuit breaker and ensure full voltage is available. Partial breaker trips can allow the lights or controls to work while heating fails. Now for gas ovens, you can just simply verify the gas supply valve, whether it is open or not. Now after doing so, you just have to simply inspect the bake or the broil element. So for electric models, you need to take a look at the bake elements inside the oven for visible cracks, blistering and burn marks. A damaged heating element often prevents proper temperature buildup. Now if you have a gas Frigidaire oven, the igniter is one of the most common failure points. So if that glows weakly or fails to ignite the burner, it may need replacement even if it appears partially functional. Now sometimes a faulty temperature sensor or control is the reason why you are facing this problem. So you just have to basically replace it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.